Welcome to WPA-1, Iron Mountain's data center in western Pennsylvania. Located 220 feet underground, our data center is built in a former limestone mine. The region is a low seismic zone and the campus has no industrial or commercial neighbors. WPA-1 is for those seeking the highest levels of security and compliance, such as banks, financial institutions, healthcare organizations, and government. Iron Mountain data centers provide federal-grade security with manned 24/7 365 security stations at the entrance and crash-resistant gates, 3-factor access controls with biometric functions, man traps, campus-wide CCTV, and on-site Iron Mountain armed security officers. WPA-1 is part of our global data center portfolio. The data center is part of a 233-acre underground facility that houses some of the most unique assets in the world. The data center portion includes more than 333,000 square feet and 15.5 megawatts of potential capacity. Our WPA-1 data center is chilled by a 100-acre underground lake. Our underground lake is up to 12 feet deep. The lake is used to cool our facility and is the source for sprinkler systems throughout the facility. Our geo-cooling system consists of 3 redundant pumps which pull the 53-degree water into stainless steel heat exchangers that support a data center chilled water cooling loop. Iron Mountain has one of the most comprehensive compliance programs in the industry. WPA-1 is hyperscale-ready with colocation options that include private suites, cages, and cabinets. Our data halls range in size from 300 kilowatts to 1,500 kilowatts. Encased in a limestone mine, data halls have no weight limits and can accommodate a fully populated 3,500-pound rack from loading dock to customer space. Each data hall can accommodate racks up to 30 kilowatts and 48 U in height. Mechanical galleries adjacent to data halls ensures complete separation of the computer air handlers and power distribution critical infrastructure from customer space. Power to the data halls flows through the static double conversion UPS systems, which are designed in a block redundant topology. All Iron Mountain data centers are powered by 100% renewable energy. Our Green Power Pass gives customers the ability to include the power they consume at any of our global data centers as green power in their sustainability reporting. Concurrently maintainable, WPA-1 meets Tier 3 standards and is designed to the highest efficiency standards with PUEs of 1.3. 3 separate utility substations in a grid design provide 2 diverse utility feeds to the data center's fully redundant service entrances. Our generator system has a present capacity of 21.5 megawatts to support a block redundant configuration. Generators can run at full load for 72 hours before needing refueling. Power is distributed via Starline bus with redundancy to each cabinet. The metered and BMS monitored Starline disconnects on the bus are hot swappable, allowing customers to have their cabinet power requirements changed with limited disruptions. 2 Meet Me rooms are fed by multiple carriers from the surface to the mine. No other provider in the region has the resiliency created by the massive physical separation between the underground Meet Me rooms. Customers can connect to the carrier or cloud providers of their choice using Iron Mountain's cross-connects with diverse feeds to customer equipment. If you're looking for a co-location partner you can count on, contact us today.